you find yourself in the afternoon still having work to do and then finding yourself crashing with energy and just you want something that's refreshing and cool, but also going to help activate that brain and get you back into more energy, or maybe you wake up in the morning and you want something refreshing like a nice iced coffee, but you want to add some health benefits to it, well, I've got a recipe for you. This is one of my husband's and I's favorite drinks, our iced Cacao Bliss coffee drink. And the reason we love Cacao Bliss because it actually adds such a beautiful decadent chocolate flavor to the iced coffee, but it's also infused with 7 superfoods. So my husband and I are getting added health benefits as we wake up in the morning or we drink this in the afternoon. It is so simple. So right here I have just some cold brew coffee. If you want to make it hot, you can. You just are going to add a lot more ice to your cup. And I'm gonna add in Cacao Bliss to that. So I'm just gonna do 1 scoop of Cacao Bliss. This is ceremonial grade raw cacao, which has over 300 phytonutrients, and it's infused with 7 superfoods like MCT, turmeric, mesquite, lucuma, all of the goods. Throw that in, and we're just gonna whisk this up really quick. You could stir it, but I'm gonna whisk it up really fast. I've got a cup right here full of ice. It's all starting to melt. You could do more ice if you want. I'm gonna just pour that over. Oh my goodness. Now, you can drink it just like this. It's so delicious, but if you're like me and you like coffee with your cream, you can add your favorite nut creamer, your favorite cream, maybe a little almond milk, and then just, oh yeah. Oh, so delicious. So good for you. Just make sure your coffee's organic. Everything in Cacao Bliss is completely organic, less than 1 gram of sugar, vegan friendly. I can't wait for you to try this. Click the link to learn more about Cacao Bliss or get your order today. I'm gonna post this recipe below this video if you wanna make it right now. Cheers.